So hello guys, welcome back in the new video related to the sources of energy. Fill in the blanks, class 10. And in fact this type of question will not come in exam directly, but I am doing it for extra knowledges. So we have to do it. Fill in the blanks. Let's start. And here we have started with the question 1. Kilowatt hour is the unit of dash, and you have to fill the blank. If you need more time, then pause the video. And the answer is energy. Kilowatt hour is the unit of energy. Question 2. A compressed spring has dash energy. A compressed spring has potential energy, because if you press, it will again take its shape. Now question 3. The SI unit of energy is dash. The SI unit of energy is joule, named after the scientist name Joule. 1 calorie is equal to how many joules? 1 calorie is equal to dash joule. You have to fill the blank, and the answer is 4.2. If you feel that video is long, then you can skip that. Question 5. The rate of doing work is called dash, and I think you all know that it's power. We have done this question in our last video. Question 6. Moving air is called dash, and these are the basically very common questions, and the answer is wind. Moving air is called wind. Question 7. Flowing water possesses dash, and you have to fill this. It's kinetic energy. It will rotate the turbine. And question 8. The device used for obtaining energy from flowing water is called, and that is used in our dams, and it's water wheel. And question 9. Energy is the ability to do dash, and I think 99% of you all know that its answer is work. Ability to do work is energy. Question 10. The energy of a body is numerically equal to the amount of dash which it can do. And very basic question, and the answer is work. Now question 11. At the thermal power station, the chemical energy of coal is changed into dash. At thermal power station, the chemical energy of coal is changed into heat, and then after electrical. The changing of one form of energy into another form of energy is called dash of energy, and its answer is transformation. Transformation of energy from one form to another. Question 13. A steam engine converts the heat energy of steam into dash energy, and I think you know it's mechanical energy, and then mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Now question 14. The solar cell directly converts dash energy into dash energy, and if you have read the chapter, you will know the answer, and the answer is solar and the electrical energy. The energy of dash is called hydro energy, and I think you know hydro means water, and the energy of water is known as hydro energy. Now question 16. Crude petroleum oil is refined by the process known as, and I think I read it in class 8, and it's fractional distillation. And now question 17. Dash is the best fuel in terms of energy liberated per gram of fuel, and its answer is hydrogen. Now question 18. Coal gas, a mixture of dash, dash and dash. You have to name the item which found in coal gas, and it's H2, CH4 and CO. Question 19. Coal, petroleum and dash are the three important sources of modern fuel, and its answer is natural gas. Third one is natural gas. Now question 20 and the last. The fuel which are prepared from natural fuels by various physical and chemical processes are known as dash, and those are known as manufactured or proceed fuels. Now we have ended with all the questions, and please check our playlist if you want more questions. It will show on the screen, and just subscribe the channel to get regular update, and thank you.